there! In this video I'll show you how to make a bracelet with a volumetric flower. In the previous tutorial I already showed the flower assembly process and all the materials that I used. Look for the link below under this video, and also don't miss new DIY tutorials where I'll show how to make other jewelry with this flower. Don't forget to put your thumbs up for this video and write your feedback. I want to know that you are waiting for new tutorials. I want to ask you to visit my online store. You can order hair wands, hair combs and other accessories from all my video tutorials. You will see the link on the screen and in the description. We will send your order to any country via express or regular mail service. If you will order accessories in my online store, you will support my channel and help me to make new videos. Don't miss our regular discounts and purchase handmade jewelry today. I would like to know your opinion about this jewelry. Please write to me what kind of tutorial you would like to see on my channel, and I will try to make it for you in next time. Support my channel with your subscription and put your thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.